I'm Dr. Pushpak Sharmade, consultant medical oncologist, cancer specialist at Jupiter Hospital Thane, MGM Hospital Vashi, and have my own set of daycare clinics for cancer care, Oncura Cancer Clinics. 31st May is known as the World Non-Tobacco Day. So today let's discuss about something related to this and the cancers that the tobacco cause. Lung cancer is the most common cancer in the world, and it is the most common cause of cancer deaths throughout the country and the world. Here are a few hard facts about lung cancer. Lung cancer causes almost 70,000 new cases in India every year. Out of this, 50,000 are among the Indian males and 20,000 are among Indian females. It is the third most common cause of cancer in India. Every hour, 8 new patients are diagnosed with lung cancer, and every hour, 7 patients die due to lung cancer in India. Tobacco smoking is the most common and the largest risk factor causing lung cancer. Smoking is responsible for an upwards of 80% of all the lung cancers worldwide. On an average, smokers increase their risk of lung cancer by 10-fold, while around 25% of the men who smoke can expect to develop lung cancer throughout their limited lifetime. All forms of tobacco like cigarettes, BDs, hookahs, cigars, chewing tobacco are dangerous. Apart from smoking, second-hand smoke, chula smoke, air pollution, exposure to chemicals like radon also lead to increase in the diseases which plague the lung. What are the symptoms of lung cancer? For lung cancer, you have to be very vigilant because the symptoms are very notoriously common. Persistent cough that refuses to go for 2 to 3 weeks, coughing blood in sputum or sputum which is stained with blood, chest pain, breathlessness, persistent tiredness and lack of energy, loss of appetite, weight loss, persistent shortness of breath, hoarse voice, a change in the tip of your fingers which is known as clubbing are few symptoms of lung cancer. The best way we can manage cancer is by understanding the early signs and the beginning timely management in proper hands. In case of lung cancer, people should be careful of the risk factors and avoid smoking, chewing tobacco, and protect their loved ones from second-hand smoke also. Though there is increased knowledge of tobacco consumption and its harmful effects, the incidence of lung cancer and tobacco-related issues is still increasing. People should understand the effects of active and passive smoking and quit tobacco consumption for a healthier and a longer life. So today, let us join hands and fight this demon of tobacco and reduce the chances of development of lung cancer and oral cavity cancer. This is Dr. Pushpak Sharmade, cancer specialist, signing off. Together we will and we can win this demon of tobacco. Thank you.